Hey there, welcome back to Anthony Knows. No judgment, your story matters. I'm Anthony, and today we've got a powerful letter from a listener who says they let a friend's secret slip, and now the friendship feels shattered beyond repair. Ouch. If you ever had that sinking feeling in your gut after saying something you shouldn't, you are not alone. Let's dive in. Our listener writes, I accidentally told our group something my friend confided in me. I thought it was harmless, and now they've shut me out. And I feel terrible. I don't know how to fix this. First off, I see you. Mistakes happen, even to the best of us. No shame, just a chance to learn. Step 1. Own it fully. Pick up the phone or write it short. Honest note. Say, I'm so sorry I broke your trust. I know I hurt you, and I take full responsibility. I will protect your confidence from now on. Psychology tells us that a genuine apology, one that names the error, shows regret, and promises change, can start to heal deep wounds. Now, let's talk timing.
Don't flood their inbox.
Give them a little breathing room. Then, reach out again in a day or two. Offer to meet in a quiet spot, coffee, and park, anywhere they feel comfortable. Keep the focus on them. Listen, let them vent. Repeat back what you hear. I understand that you feel betrayed. I would feel the same. That simple mirror technique shows you really get it. Here's a life hack. Write a private journal entry about what happened and how you felt. This gives you a safe space to unload guilt, so you don't dump it back onto your friend when you talk. Bonus, writing helps solidify your commitment to act differently in the future. Now, we can't promise your friend will forgive you right away, maybe not ever, and that's hard. You might need to accept that outcome. But remember, repairing trust is like rebuilding a bridge. It takes time, care, and consistent effort. Show up, keep your promises, and be patient. Over time, actions speak louder than words. For the humor break, think of your lips as a simmering hat. Under pressure, keep them shut. Secrets are archival that shouldn't leak out into open water. If your friend isn't ready, channel your energy into personal growth. Practice self-compassion by reminding yourself, I did wrong, I'm sorry, and I'm learning from this. You might try a short daily mindfulness exercise, just 2 minutes of breathing and grounding. It helps you stay focused on the present, not replaying that embarrassing slip-up. In the long run, this experience can deepen your empathy. You'll become the friend who listens more carefully, guards confidences jealously, and values trust above all. And who knows, one day your friend will look back and see how hard you worked to be better. So take that first brave step. Send an apology, plan that meetup, and start your journal tonight. You've got this. Mistakes don't define us, how we respond does. Thanks for sharing your story, and thanks to everyone listening. Remember, we are all in the same boat, paddling through life storms. Until next time on Anthony Knows, keep your hearts open, your words careful, and never forget, your story matters.